Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Visio to SVG. Search on Google bit recover Visio Converter wizard. Click on download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your Visio files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing Visio files. Select Visio Files folder. Check the file. Click on SVG. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 5 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Converted SVG files.